Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today, ignore this face. Guess who just uploaded a brand new video? Taylor Swift. I'm all here for doing the makeup look in the scene. I will insert right here where she's holding the little kitty cat and she's wearing the pink flowy dress. I'm gonna do the wig, the makeup, the whole 9 yards. My name is Veronica, if you don't know who I am, so you should hit that subscribe button right now and become a part of the Glam Fam. If you already are subscribed, you know I love you. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. And all the products I use, even if I show them, will be in the description box below, so no need to worry. This bow's got to go. If you want to see how I'm going to transform this mess right here into Taylor Swift's makeup look in the new video Me, then just keep on watching. We're gonna insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
Oh, and this makeup tutorial will be all drugstore. Looking like Taylor on a budget. Disclaimer, I'm not gonna look just like Taylor Swift. I love you guys. So I noticed she had a lot of warmth going on in her face. So I'm going in first with this Wet n Wild Photofocus. Just because it's very, very orangey. Normally I wouldn't go for this. For this look I am, just a little bit. This is where we do jam sets. So while we're waiting for that setting spray to dry so that we don't have that stripe of highlighter that Taylor definitely doesn't do, we are going to dance to the music in the background. Get it? Cut! Okay, so I noticed that in the picture when she turns to the side, she had on a purplish pink highlighter. Going with this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Lilac to Reality. That's gonna be my base. To go into this Colourpop Over the Moon. I like to apply Colourpop with my finger, especially concentrating right here. I'm going into this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder palette. Color right here. Does it have a name? Sweet Peony, it does. I have this Wet n Wild. This is another limited edition Sweetheart Bling. This is going to give me the pink that I need. Morphe highlighting brush. This is the M510. This kind of brush right here. And I'm just going to a little Flexitarian on top of that nose. Lower lash line, I'm using this cheap Shani Brown. You can get it at Amazon because I noticed she had a little bit of brown. My Morphe E36 and just smudge it out a little bit. So she definitely of a sharper cupid's bow, which I normally don't do, but I am gonna do that. Whew, I got it. See, she has them like more triangular. Apply a little gloss because I saw a little glossy gloss on those lips. Yeah, it is LA Colors. So it looks like this. I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you love it. I love you guys. I know you can see some bobby pins in here. I had to make the pin curls and this is a wig. But I hope you love it. I love you guys so, 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 so much. Let me know what you think about the look in the comment section below. I realize the shirt is a little bit darker than the one in the video. However, I don't have every outfit that every famous person owns. So yeah, this was the same kind of look though. All right, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.